Hello everyone, my name is Mengke Wang. Welcome to our project introduction video. In the industrial production process, numerous products are subjected to high-risk conditions such as radiation, high temperature, poisonous, and other hazardous factors. There is no doubt that it significantly limits the efficiency of production operations. But how to solve it? To solve it, we have designed and implemented an enhanced teleoperation system. This is the overall architecture of the system. Maybe you will ask how do we operate it. Next, we will introduce in detail. First of all, this is the master device, Omega 6, which can pick up the operator's movements to control the robot. In addition, the button can control the switch of the gripper. Besides, this is a foot pedal. We can use it to control the event trigger. What's more, this is a slave device, universal robot and robotic hand. The robot can be controlled through position and speed interfaces. And a gripper can be enabled to control the switching state. Therefore, we can remotely control it through our master device to follow the operator's movements to perform tasks. And then we are going to demonstrate our teleoperation system through an engineering case, which is to remotely thread this thin wire into this tiny terminal. Let's take a look.